Do you want to tell me something? Tell me something. Do you want to go on a trip? Where do you want? Do you want to go camping? No? No? Do you want to go to the in the mountains or to the seaside? Mountains? Mountains? Or seaside? No, not seaside. Want to go in the mountains? My talking little kitten. He's my talking little kitten. Did you go to visit the neighbors today? A little, yes. I forgot the door open and you you went out and visited our neighbors. Did you do that, Kitty? Did you surprise our neighbors? And I was looking for you and you were nowhere in the house. Is that correct? Yes? And then the neighbors came and told us that they found you outside. Did you go on a visit? And you didn't tell us? My talking kitten. My talking kitten. Did you want to visit the kitten of our neighbors?